Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before we start our lesson, please Maida lead your friend to take a prayer.
Before we start our lesson today, let's start pray together. Pray is over.
Thank you, Maida. And how are you today, student? Yeah, I'm fine too. Thank you. And who is absent today?
Katlea,
Katlea,
and Keisha,
Keisha, Najwa. All of them are sick or another reason? Yeah, sick. Okay. We hope get better soon. And how about your lesson last week about lens and also mirror, isn't it? Lensa dan cermin, betul? Yes. And today we will continue our lesson with the optical devices. Optical devices is about kinds of alat optik in Indonesia that you must know, especially our eyes, and then loupe, and then microscope, and telescope, and also we use the camera. All of the example that we are mentioned, it's optical devices. Now we will give you the information for furthermore about the optical devices. Let's take a look the PowerPoint, yeah. The optical devices is the earliest optical devices. Everybody optical devices. Telescope, refractive, and also reflective. And number 4 is about microscope, glasses, and binoculars. This is the kinds of optical devices. So the optical devices is one we use, we have, everybody have it, is our eyes. Our eyes is one of the example about optical device. Jadi mata kita itu apa? Salah satu contoh alat optik, ya. Nah, an optical device is any technology that use light. Adalah alat optik yang menggunakan teknologi yang menggunakan cahaya. Optical device can be as example as a mirror or as a complex as the Hubble telescope. Jadi contoh dari simple mirror atau kaca atau ya cermin sederhana adalah teleskop Hubble. The invention of the optical devices has led to many great discoveries that have shaped our daily lives. And then next, purpose of optical device. The purpose of any optical device is to collect and gather light. Jadi fungsi dari alat optik itu ngapain sih? Menangkap apa? Menangkap cahaya, gitu kan? Whether it's for telescope, camera, microscope, and simply our eyes, they are designed to gather light. Ya, mereka mengumpulkan cahaya, kemudian apa? Membuat bayangan dari cahaya tadi atau benda yang terkena cahaya tadi, sehingga kita punya retina untuk sebagai tempat apa? Terbentuknya bayangan. Jadi kalau mata kita, layar dari mata kita itu apa, Mbak? Retina. Ya, layar dari kamera itu apa? Filmnya, ya kan? Seperti itu. Sehingga kita bisa tahu hasil dari cetakan kamera yang kita pakai. Itu adalah kita menggunakan apa tadi? Film. Untuk menangkap benda yang kita potret tadi, kita membutuhkan film. Nah, ini adalah gambar yang kita tangkap dari Hubble atau teleskop Hubble. Nah, without Hubble ability to collect light from the huge area and focus into an image, we would never have enough light to see those amazing picture. Jadi tanpa bantuan dari teleskop Hubble yang mengumpulkan cahaya dari huge area yang sangat luas, maka kita tidak bisa mendapatkan amazing picture atau gambar yang menakjubkan dari luar angkasa seperti itu. Nah, comparing and gathering. Nah, ini kita lanjut dulu. Teleskop ada dua, yaitu there are two types of telescope. Yang pertama adalah teleskop yang dipantulkan atau pemantulan, dan yang kedua adalah teleskop pembiasan. Yang kita biasa pakai itu teleskop pembiasan atau refractive telescope. Refractive telescope use lens to bend the light to a focal point for our eyes. Ya, itu refraktif. Jadi mereka di teleskop itu ada apanya, Pak? Semua alat optik bagian depannya pasti ada apanya? Lenses. Lenses itu apa? Lensa. Percaya ya kalau mata kita itu lensa. Mata kita ini loh contoh lensa. Ya, percaya ya kalau kamera itu depannya ada lensanya. Ya. Terus handycam juga depannya ada lensanya, dan juga ini mikroskop juga ada lensanya. Semua alat optik itu punya lensa, entah itu lensanya 1 atau 2. Coba. Kalau kamera berapa lensanya? 1. Ya. Terus kalau handycam 1. Ya. Kalau teleskop, how about the telescope? Telescope have 2 lenses. This is the scheme of the telescope refractive and reflective light. Nah, ini cara kerjanya. The operating system for the telescope. Kalau refraktif seperti ini dipantulkan, kalau reflektif dibiaskan. Ini lensa pertama yang dekat dengan mata kita. Ini lensa kedua yang dekat dengan objek. Jadi di teleskop itu punya berapa kamera? How much the lenses in the telescope? 2 atau ya 2. Ya, lanjut dulu. Nah, ini adalah pembiasan atau penguraian cahaya menjadi warna-warna penyusunnya. Next is about microscope. Is one of the optical device. Microscope are also designed to gather light, but they do so from a very small area up close. Jadi the function of microscope is the opposite from the telescope. From the microscope, we can make the tiny object to the bigger object. An opposite from the telescope, we know from the huge object to the tiny object. Yeah. The microscope most microscope use a light source at the base of shine into the specimen from below, because without it there would not be enough to light for our eye to see. Yeah. Yes, I think it's enough from the for the information, for the concept about the optical device, and I want to know this is a microscope. Yeah, microscope has 2 lens. This is an ocular lens atau lensa yang dekat dengan mata, and this one is objective lens atau lensa objektif, lensa yang dekat dengan objek. And then another example for the optical device. Okay, ini. This is one of the microscope ya, electronic microscope ya, mikroskop elektronik ya, yang bisa kita pakai untuk memperbesar benda tapi tidak terlalu jeli dibanding mikroskop yang tadi binokuler seperti itu. Nah, when we put some tiny object, maybe you have some tiny object. Jarum pentul ada nggak ya? Jarum pentul apa sih? Ya, coba. Ya, sama-sama hitamnya ini. Nah, ini nih bisa diperbesar atau diperkecil. Nah, seperti itu. Nah, ini kelihatan. You can see the tiny object with this teleskop. Nah, ini udah besar banget. Ini. Tuh kan kelihatan ya? Ya. Nah. And another example for the optical device is the camera. Bisa dicopot ya, nggak usah dicopot, langsung aja. Yes, this one is one of apa? The optical device. Why you call this one of the optical device? Because is there a lens and collecting light to make the image, to make the image. Okay. Those are the kinds of optical device. And then we must make a big question. We must make a big question that relate with the optical device. Please make a big question from 1, 2, or 3, or from you that are thinking about optical device and related with our daily life, or maybe the function in our social and the function for our technology. I call one of you, one group in group 1, Nova. Would you like to tell me your big question related with optical device? Yeah, Nova. Yeah, please tell me your big question. Wait a minute. Why do photochromic lenses turn bright when exposed to the sun? Jadi, apa yang menyebabkan kacamata fotochromic menjadi berwarna hitam ketika terkena cahaya matahari? Kita ingin membuat suatu kacamata yang apabila kita berada dalam sinar matahari yang sangat terang, dia akan berubah menjadi lebih hitam atau tidak menyilaukan, lebih sejuk. That's good questions. This question is related with our daily life for social and also technology. And then next.
How do smart glasses work in scanning information? And can we make smart glasses know what we want without us telling them?
Oh, very good question. So Almira asked to our class that how to make the smart glasses and how to do smart glasses work in scanning information, and can we make small glasses know what we want about us telling them to do? Yes, a very good question from Amira. And then we want to continue to Meja. Yes, Meja, what is your big question?
Okay. Some people think that why if we wear contact lenses while asleep, it can cause blindness in the eyes. And that's all that the people think, and cause the blindness in the eyes when we use lenses to asleep. Yeah, I think that's all.
So, what's your question? We will make the glasses. We will make
The chemical of the lenses.
the chemical of the lenses, so that we can be blind when we are asleep. Use the lens. Thank you. That's a very good question related with our healthy and also social. Yeah. Next question, the last question from not the last question. Berlin. Yeah. What? Oh, that's very good question. Why atau how? What happens when we are sharing our contact lens with the other people? We will discuss it next for the information on the advantage. The last question from Salasia, yeah. Yeah.
How to make an automatic telescope to track celestial objects?
Oh, that's a simple question. How to make an automatic telescope to track celestial objects? Yeah. It's the innovation from the telescope and the function of telescope that have a function to track automatically celestial objects. Yes. Okay. Thank you for the big question from our student, all of the students, class 8-1. I think we will have 2 more observe and then yeah. Looking for the information from the internet and other book. Although how to, I think we must solve the problem from media and also from Salasia. That's a very good question, and also from Almira, yeah, and that's from Nova. Please, all of you, write the question, and then we must have an answer, and yeah, looking for the answer.